Hey there, I know you thought we were done, but we're not. There are some more crafty little things I want to show you guys. For starters, a lot of students will do something like this. Like they'll do a calculation and they'll go, oh crap, I can't see the mean anymore and I really want to. I mean, how do I get it back? Well, if ever you've lost it or you want to see more of the list again, you just do it again. Stat, calc, one variable. And again, you could press second one, or in this case, because it's in L1, you don't even have to bother, and you can just press enter. Ta-da! There they are, they're back. Isn't that nice? Then I had to show you a couple other tricks of the trade. The calculation for variance is kind of intriguing. Let me clear this history for a second. I went to the trouble and I sat there and I typed 11.6541 and I squared it. That's fine. But there is a little trick. If you didn't notice, S has a lot of decimal places, okay? So if you want, you can trick the calculator into storing and keeping all that stuff for you. This little guy right here, the Vars key, is the answer. It stands for variables, V-A-R-S, variables. So you click that, and then, hey, look at number 5. See it? Right down there? You can go down to it with your down arrows, or you could just press the number, either way. But statistics, the name of the course, that might be helpful. So you can go down there and press enter. And then do you see this guy right here, number 3? That's the sample standard deviation. So I can click that. And then I can click squared. So it's going to take the last standard deviation it calculated, which is right here, 11.654, blah, 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 and it's going to square it. So if I press enter, it did it with all the decimal places, right? Now I didn't have to sit there and type all that stuff. Handy, very handy. All right, some other stuff. Let's say you want to do the range. Oh no, I can't see the max minus the min anymore. I can't see max and min. I want to double check these answers. How do I get them back? Well, you could do stat and calculate again, one variable, number 1, enter. There we go, we're back. All right, so you could go down and see it. Oh, yep, they were right. So how do you find the range? The range is 118 take away 178. That was the min, the max minus the min. Boom, the range is 40. Okay, so the calculator does not calculate the range, nor does it calculate IQR, which is the range between Q1 and Q3. That's 115 take away a 105, which I know you can see what it is going to be. It's going to be 10, but you know, bear with me here. Okay, so the calculator doesn't find these on its own. You have to trick it into finding these. Calculator doesn't find the mode. You have to trick it into that. The calculator doesn't find the variance. You have to trick it into that. The one thing about mode is that if your data set's in order, like this data set is, you can see that 118 happened more often than anything else. So you can tell 118 is the mode even though the calculator didn't find it for you. Alright, same with the fences and stuff like that. Now, last but not least, I just want to remind you guys of a little trick. So, suppose, again, you want to see that list of descriptive statistics, the mean, the median, and all that stuff. But you can't get it back. So you could do stat and calc again, or there is a little trick. Second, enter. See, it says entry. It gives you the last thing you entered, and you can do it again. Second, enter. Oh, there's the thing I entered above that. Second, enter. There it is. That's the thing I entered before. And now if I press just regular enter, so it's saying one variable stats, if you press enter, you're telling it to do that, run that. Swing, they're all back. So you could have done that with stat calc, or you could do it with second enter. Either way you like. As for the fences, that's a formula you learn in that chapter. However, I'll give it to you right now. It would be Q1 minus 1.5 IQR. So let me just show you how to do that. That's Q1, which is 105, take away 1.5 times the IQR, which was 10. Enter. So the lower fence in this case is 90, which by the way also implies that 78 is an outlier because he's lower than this lower fence. Okay. Alrighty, I think we're all done with Chapter 3, the descriptive statistics stuff. I will also be showing you a video about how to make a box and whisker plot with your calculator. That's coming next. See you, bye!